just learned about this function called subtotal, and I saw the video. The video link is here, and it was about how to do it in Excel. But I like to use those videos about Excel functions, and I like to try doing them in Google Sheets to see if there's anything, see if they work, and see if I can get around any sort of differences that might exist between the two programs. So this function is called subtotal, and what you can do. So here's the syntax. So you write subtotal, and then you write a number 1 through I think 10, and then the range. So in this in the documentation, so 1 is average, 2 is count, 3 is count A, and then it goes all the way down to 11. So I thought that these were the most useful for me. So average, count, count A, max, min, product, and sum. And so the basic syntax again is you write subtotal, and then you write one of these numbers, and then you write the range. So here's my data set right here, and that is my range. And then so if I want to average these numbers, I can do that. If I want to count them, or count A, or max, min, product, sum. But what I found is that I can do subtotal, and I can, instead of 1 or whatever, I can just put in the what? That was unexpected. So this doesn't work because this is the average. This is the average, but this is something different. It should be average. I'm not sure what's going on here, but I think this is what it's doing. Interesting. But basically what you can do is you can replace the number with a cell value. And let me just make sure this works for everything. don't know what's going on with this one, but I don't know. I guess I'll keep looking into this, and if you have any insight on this, why it doesn't work with only average. Is it hidden values? All right. Well, that's the subtotal function.